Next, we're going to talk about the unlimited space around us, the space above us in the air. I'd like to welcome, there's a change in the schedule, so we have a substitute speaker, also the co-founder, Patrick Nathen from Lilium Aviation. Please join me, Patrick. Round of applause for...
Thank you. Yeah, a wonderful good evening also from my side. I'm Patrick Nathen, co-founder of Lilium Aviation, and I'm representing today our CEO, Daniel Wiegand, who couldn't make it, unfortunately. But I'm very happy to be here. I'm very proud to show you how we're going to change the global mobility and how we're going to get rid of all of the cars. We from Lilium Aviation are building the world's first electric vertical takeoff and landing jet. And imagine a world where you go outside with your partner, you go in your jet, take off vertically, drive smoothly through the air, and then you fly anywhere, just anywhere. And the main thing about this is we don't need runways, we don't need airports, so for the first time, mobility is completely independent of infrastructure. You fly at an extraordinary efficiency. The Lilium Jet can fly up to 500 kilometers at a cruise flight velocity of 300 kilometers per hour. You don't emit any CO2. It is nearly inaudible during cruise flight, and as I already said, no infrastructure. To do this, we enable this with our revolutionary new propulsion system. We distributed just simply electrical propulsion, just ducted fans all over the airplane. We tilt it, you lift up, then you tilt it back, and you fly through the air. At the same time, we developed a new standard of safety for aircrafts. We have 36 engines, 6 battery packages, and 3 flight computers who control everything for you and bring you safe down all the time. In case that the worst case possible, we have also a rocket parachute, so you always will land safely. The founding team, which is responsible for this ambitious project, consists of 4 passionate and really designated engineers who take care of the 4 core technologies of aviation, which is propulsion system, aerodynamics, mechanics, and control dynamics. Our current status is that we have a fully flyable 1-2 prototype, which is flying through the air. And it has also showed the whole control system as well as the safety system is working. I'm very happy to say that we developed completely from scratch a new propulsion system and the engines all by ourselves. It is right now completely manufactured, everything is there, and I'm happy to announce that we're already building those engines into our 1-to-1 prototype, which will have its maiden flight within the next month. This simple yet very safe concept makes flying accessible for really everyone. We will give you the jet, we will enable the landing pad system all over the world with you, and then you can even take off and land in a city. So everything a helicopter cannot do here, we can do. Beyond this, the computer control steering is already implemented, and this brings us a massive forward to regarding safety. And one of our major steps regarding our vision is that we have autonomous flying, not only driving, but flying. The low maintenance is very cheap, very safe, and in terms of redundancy for tolerance and component manufacture underlines our safety concept. So basically, we enable flying for the masses, for you, and for you, for everybody. You go wherever you want, you drive everywhere you want, and we connect globally everything. And I'm very happy that I can talk to you and show you this concept. Thank you very much.